More space, more comfortable driving experience. With the improvement of automobile consumption concepts, mid-size SUVs have become more and more consumers' replacement or first purchase choice, and Ford Equator has become one of the most cost-effective options. It has a facelift, a new Changling model has been added and its price has dropped to 126,800 yuan. This mid-size joint venture SUV can be purchased for less than 130,000 yuan and is suitable for high-end travel. With the addition of dark blue/sky gray dual colors, the look is sumptuous and smart. When you see the Ford Equator, you can immediately see Ford's potential aesthetic design, Ford's newest family-style design language. The actual car adopts the newly added dark blue body color, and the entire look is in line with the aesthetics of the vehicle. Today's consumers. The lines are harsh and the chrome-plated grille set into the polygonal grille is full of three-dimensionality. The standard LED split headlights are in line with the latest generation of Mondeo. The hook design on the outside of the daytime running lights makes the overall headlights look sharper. On the body side, the length, width and height are 4630/1935/1706 mm respectively, breaking the traditional midsize SUV aspect ratio, reaching the luxury SUV level of 1.13. The body adopts a folding sporty waist design that weakens the straight lines on the sides and offers a more three-dimensional appearance. The ratio of windows to the sides of the car has been reduced, combining with the smooth waistline to form a golden section in the longitudinal direction, making the overall appearance more elegant and dynamic. The rear of the Equator is square and full-shaped. The subframe has C-shaped silver plating strips, diffusers, etc., which enhance the sporty atmosphere. Equipped with. The technological cockpit is spacious and comfortable and has dual temperature zone air conditioning/transparent chassis etc. Equipped with. Equipped with a technology-enveloping cockpit, Equator truly shows its advantages with its wide body and ample space provided by a vehicle width of nearly 2 meters. The new SUV is equipped with 12.3-inch suspended integrated smart displays, which is flatter and simpler, greatly enhancing the sense of technology and horizontal visual width. Onboard Tencent TAI 4.0 vehicle connectivity system, mobile phone mapping, in-car WeChat, AMAP, iQIYI, Huawei Hiker etc. It includes a number of applications such as. It also supports voice interaction and OTA upgrades, eliminating our common expectation. In terms of seats, it adopts sports-covered seats based on racing-grade human body dynamic induction design, using real leather covering and geometric joining technology. The seats are filled with 2 layers, and the sports car has a high wingspan design with a wingspan height of 100 mm, ordinary cars are about 70 mm. It has good wrapping and support when you sit on it, which can effectively reduce driving fatigue and increase comfort. It is also worth noting that both the main and passenger seats are electrically adjusted, and there are armrests and cup holders in the middle of the rear row. In terms of configuration, the new SUV is equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360TM Intelligent Driving Assistance System, 5th Generation Full-Speed Intelligent Adaptive Navigation System (ACC), with tail function, door opening warning, DOA, rear approach collision warning, RCW. Equipped with a 170 horsepower 1.5T engine, the chassis has been tuned to take both control and comfort into account. In terms of power, the Equator is equipped with a 1.5T plus 7 DCT combination, with a maximum engine power of 170 horsepower and a maximum torque of 260 Nm. In terms of chassis, it adopts front McPherson independent suspension plus rear Multilink independent suspension and is tuned according to Trustmark Ford global standards to fully balance handling and comfort. Moreover, with a semi-frame subframe and new compatible bushings and shock absorber settings, the new car's comfort is better than competing products at the leading level among